Welcome students. Today in Open Office Calc, that means a spreadsheet software, I'll be teaching you how to calculate the percentage. Although the method is same, with the same method we can calculate the percentage of the students in Excel also or Google Sheet. But here if we are making some conditions with if, little bit difference is there. So that I'll be teaching you in this tutorial. So in this tutorial I am taking this data. Even you can pause my video and you can just type it on your computer. So this data I have taken roll number, math, English, computer science, Hindi, then total, percentage, and then grades, and then maximum, minimum, average. So these three things we have to calculate based upon the percentage. And then this is the condition that if the student is getting more than 90 or is equal to 90, then he should get A plus. 75 and is equal to, then A. 60, that means greater than 60 or equal to, then B. 50, if any student is getting greater than 50 or is equal to, then C grade, otherwise D. So below that I can just write here D grade. So below 50, that will be D. So for doing all these things you can type this data, and just for explanation purpose I'll just delete whatever is been calculated here. From here I'll delete all the things. Now once you have typed all this data, what you could do, you have to find the total. So for total you have to just type is equal to, the method is same for Excel also, Google Sheet, and this Open Office Calc. So I'll just type here is equal to sum, and then I can select from B3 to F3 and then bracket close. So you have calculated this, and then you can drag it down. Although you can use another method also, I'll show you, but that will be little lengthy. Suppose B4 plus C4 plus D4 plus E4 and then plus F4. You can use this method also, but this is little lengthy because if the numbers are more, then you have to add and add more and more. So but the top the method what I have told you is equal to sum, that is the range B3 to F3, so that is easier. So I can use this sum function and then I can drag it down, and for dragging down I have already told in my previous tutorial also, at the bottom, right bottom, when the plus sign comes, you can just drag it down and it copies. So total is been calculated. Now we have to calculate the percentage. The simple formula for calculating the percentages is equal to total. Our total number like 454. So we will take the cell address. We can insert the bracket. It is G3 is equal to G bracket, I'll start G3, a little bit I'll zoom it, G3 multiply by 100, because it should be 454 multiplied by 100 divided by the maximum marks. So if it is 5 subjects, means it should be divided by 500. So it's 90.8% is coming. So I'll double click it to show you the formula once again. G3 multiply by 100, bracket close, divided by 500. I hope this is clear to you. And then I can drag this also. So it will copy the formula to each and every cell. So this I'll delete just because I have to show you the formula also. Now to find the maximum, minimum and the average marks of the class, because this is the percentage of different students, along with this little bit this mark sheet I can make it in center. You know very well, like this is alignments and this is merge cells, so I can just use it and then I can make it to align center. Little bit size I can increase. Okay, and you know very well from where you can change the color, so you can just do that also. This I can make it little bold now, and this also I can just give the borders, so the border is been given. And now I want to give the grades. Till here I hope this is clear, and here also. Okay, before giving the grades I want to calculate the maximum marks, minimum marks and the average. So it's very simple, is equal to, you will write max bracket start and then you will select the range bracket close, and it will give you the maximum marks. You could see here 96.2 is the maximum marks of the student. Now for the minimum marks the formula will be min bracket start and bracket close. Now for the third average, you have to write full average, and you will close the bracket, and it will give you the average marks, average percentage marks of the students. Now here somewhere you could see some places point is coming, and if you want to increase the point, you know very well, from here you can increase the points or you can decrease the point like this. So I hope this is clear to you. Here also I'll do the same. So here also if I'll select the numbers, so I can increase the decimal point from here like this. So it seems okay for me. Now the major thing which I want to add now, the grades. So I have to use the if option, and here this formula will be little different in comparison to Excel. So I'll show you how to calculate the grades based upon this condition. So I'll just type here is equal to if. Now what I want to make the condition, if H3 greater than or equal to this is the condition here, this is equal to 90. Now in case of Excel we should have typed comma, but here we don't put comma, we put colon sign, semicolon, and then we'll put inverted commas. Only this is the difference. There we were only putting comma in Excel, but here we are putting semicolon. So here we will type here a plus, and then bracket close, again semicolon, then again I'll type here if, again bracket start, H3 greater than is equal to, second condition is my 75. So I'll increase the speed because now you know the method. Now till C I have done the things, but if the condition is that if any student is getting less than 50, then I can again put semicolon, and inverted commas I can write D. Then I have to see the brackets also, how many brackets I have put. this is 1 2, you could see that the bracket is darker, that will help you, and the last one. So a plus is coming. I can double click it again, show you the formula how I have done it. So you can just pause my video here only and you could just check what formula I have used. I hope this formula is clear to you. If condition is been used, and I have told you in case of Excel we may have used only comma, but here we are using semicolon. So I hope this is clear to you. So now I have to just drag it down, and as a result I'll get the grades. So see how simple it is to calculate the grades here, and rest that formatting you already know how to do the formatting, you can easily do it. Different colors you can give, different font colors you can give, so that depends, that you can easily do it according to your choice. So you can also do the same, practice it, and just send me the screenshots in your assignments, or just comment if anything is not clear to you. So I am closing my tutorial here only. So if any doubt you can always comment, and fundamental is same for Excel also, for Google Sheet also, or like in Open Office Calc, that I have told you what is the major difference. Only comma and semicolon was the major difference in the formula while using if condition. Okay, so I am stopping my tutorial here only. Until then, bye.